This module focuses on bicycle modeling. In the previous session, we learned about modeling primitives and tools. Now we will use those skills to create a bicycle model. We have gathered reference images, so let's start by setting up the camera. Create a camera and position it. Move the camera along the z-axis to a value of 80. Select camera 1, then tear off the camera view so it can be kept aside for reference. Adjust the camera's position to move it upwards, allowing us to build the model on the top of the grid. In the poly modeling shelf, select the cylinder and reduce the subdivision axis to 10. This will be used to block out the cycle's frame body. Before proceeding further, save your Maya file. You will notice two cameras in the scene. The perspective camera, which is for general modeling, and the camera 1, which displays the reference image. I will primarily work in the perspective camera while using camera 1 to match the reference. Next, I change the camera focal length to 90. After adjusting the focal length, repositioning the camera to align it properly. Start by matching the cycle's frame bars. Scale and move the vertex to align with the reference image. Add additional edge loops as needed to match the frame's thickness. Apply a soften edge to avoid odd edge visibility. For better visualization, assign a Blinn material and adjust its properties as shown in the video. Duplicate the cylinder to create other components of the frame. Use scaling, movement and rotation tool to align the duplicated pieces accurately with the references. Add in between edge where it's necessary. Observe that the cycle frame bars are not perfectly round. They are a slightly oval in shape. Adjust the scaling to achieve this shape. Next, move on to the seat bar pipe. Duplicate and block it out using the cylinder. Similarly, use the cylinder to block the handlebar pipe. Now let's work on the front fork. Switch to the front camera view and use CV curve to trace the shape of the fork. Create the curve and position it correctly. Adjust the curve shape in the side view to match the reference. To create the mesh for the fork, use the curve extrude technique. Start by taking a cylinder, delete its side and bottom faces and positioning it correctly. Perform a curve extrude. Before extruding, rebuild the curve as demonstrated in the video to ensure a evenly distributed vertex. After extruding, adjust the subdivision as required. Use the taper option to achieve the desired tapered shape. Apply a soften edges to smooth out any hardened edges. This concludes the session. In the next session, we will continue blocking the remaining elements. Thank you everyone.